Hey, what's up, guys? I saved up a ton of Omen clips and aggressive Omen plays, kind of like Flexinja does, and I was kind of inspired by him to make for this video myself. So this is going to be a more laid-back video for today. If you guys enjoy it, be sure to leave a like down below, or you can check me out on Twitch. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at twitch.tv/thekinglive. Thanks again, guys, for watching. And if you stayed to the end of the video, I actually have a cool announcement, so if you guys are interested in that, then be sure to skip ahead or watch the video or do whatever, you know, the things that people do. I love you guys, okay? See, enjoy the video.
Close, one's close. Yeah, they threw like a lot of utility on me.
I'm blinding. He's in.
Oh, they're two in. My bad, man.
On me, out to the right.
Spike planted.
I can't copy.
Oh, they're in.
What was that play?
Like, just because we lose one, like, I had so much fucking info that round.
One enemy remaining.
There we go.
Alright, let's go into the montage, boys.
That was godlike.
I didn't hear you say anything.
I hear Amen.
It's leave off of B. Left side. Okay.
Wow.
Target bomb down.
One point market, one point pizza. Nice, there was another one towards me.
Ah, fuck.
No, 141 on the cipher. 141 on the cipher. 141. Good job. Right in the smoke with shorty, you win. Oh, very winnable. Swing on this kid. Fuck him
I'm
up.
gonna play in boat.
You need to commit to the sage.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go!
Cover going out. They're throwing raise util short. Nice.
Planting default.
Oh. I'm stuck.
Oh
no!
One enemy remaining.
That's hilarious.
I'm so sorry.
That is so fucking funny.
I feel so bad. I was like, oh, should I?
No. No one's in TP, but I'm watching it.
Oh.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna blind you. Let's swing it.
One enemy remaining.
I suck.
He's not here, so it's someone.
I'm going elbow.
Blinding. Blinding. Hush. Joke's over. You're dead. Nowhere to run. Pitiful. Open up the sky.
One enemy remaining.
Last one's in hookah.
What a play, dude. Oh my god.
One enemy remaining.
Under.
No way, dude.
Oh, who did?
Pitiful.
I voted down.
99.
I voted yes too. Three killed.
There's a vandal.
See ya.
Careful window.
Still got it.
For you.
Smoke's down.
Enemy spotted.
Right between the eyes.
I got the spike.
No! Clip it, please!
You want that for both in
While
heaven?
full blinded and full sprinting. Like, you have bomb. Yeah. And then I missed that? What? No!
One enemy.
One right side.
For you.
She's close. Nice.
She dashed in.
Last player
Ah,
standing.
long.
Window.
One bullet in your gun.
One bullet.
One enemy
Ooh,
remaining.
what a slingy.
No charges. Stealing sight. Shadows traveling. Watch them run.
Let's go! Oh yeah, baby!
Holy shit, dude.
That's gotta hurt him.
Hush. You were a mistake.
Sometimes it's hard to keep up with messages when you're like.
Enemy remaining.
Oh, King. Ready for this bait? You ready for me? I'll bait for you.
30 seconds left.
Thank you.
Boys.
Unimportant.
These guys think I'm
Runner's
hacking.
probably 100.
Thank you for the
One enemy
post there, Brandon.
remaining.
Or the
Calm down.
sub, I mean.
Stage is super lit.
I'm backing out of showers. Omen's pushing me.
No charges. Shadows traveling.
One enemy remaining.
He's right here. He's in short. We have bomb in showers.
It's a two.
Stealing sight.
30 seconds left.
Dude, this guy is so good.
Cover going out.
And one's up there. Maybe short box.
Last
side.
player standing.
Funny.
10 seconds left. Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Thwarted.
Go!
What about that? Hello? Who said full push?
Fuck, man! Fuck!
The
Get the
flash
pick, get the pick.
Behind you. Cover going out.
I really just wasted my all.
Did somebody shut door? That's a negative, but nobody's in there yet.
Shadows traveling. Three killed.
One enemy remaining.
He's on me. I'm about to get a knife kill. Sorry.
Stealing
Just
sight.
kidding. You got him.
Oh!
No charges.
I got him cornered.
What is this play, Lucas?
Hey, we gotta let him get the ace, boys.
Shadows traveling.
They destroyed that instantly over there.
Cypher came up here.
One enemy remaining.
Okay.
My god, he's just holding it. Our teammates kind of like blocked me in, so I couldn't like really do anything else. Like he walled long.
I think he might be on site. He might be generator. Careful. I'm a genius.
Enemy remaining.
Oh. Yeah. And she's CT. Let's see. He just knows. How does he know? What the fuck are these smokes? I think he might push this.
She's on top of her box, or she walled B.
I'm a fucking genius, dude. He's so mad at me.
He's pushed up long.
I got your heaven on
One
me.
enemy remaining.
Last
Last
one.
one's CT. Yeah. He's garage. Okay.
Quit
Wait, is
it.
he hacking? Hello?
That's going on. I'm nuts. Oh no.
They pushed all the my towers.
The stage pushed all the way through mid too.
pitiful.
Let's go, boys.
Nice.
Cover going out.
There's one probably flanking, so careful.
Thank you guys all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like the channel and subscribe down below. It really helps us out. We actually have like 80% of the people who watch these videos who aren't subscribed. So that's pretty weird. But if you're just watching the video, just hit the subscribe button. Just do the thing, you know? It takes you like no time, and you could just like press it right now while I'm saying this. Or you can not if you don't want to, whatever. Other than that, if you want to check me out on stream, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at twitch.tv/KingLive. And the thing I want to announce actually is that we recently set up our merch line, and we just added 2 new items to it that I think are pretty dope. If you're looking for some Omen type stuff, then we actually have some of those. So if you guys enjoyed this video, maybe Omen is your main character, maybe you like some of the stuff in there, so you can check it out. It's all pretty moderately priced and actually does help with the channel a lot. So if you guys do enjoy it, be sure to check it out. Other than that, I freaking love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.